Hey Jonathan, this is Dave here at Beaver Toyota of St. Augustine. We spoke last night about this GMC and I just wanted to shoot a quick video and kind of show the vehicle off. It is very clean. So let's go ahead and check her out. See, the headlights are nice and clean. Chrome on the bumper. It's pretty good. It's got that strong 5.7 in there. I saw the trans fluid and the engine oil. They both look very nice. The trans smells good. It's a good sign. Paint's pretty darn good, if I do say so myself. Got a little bit of room in the back seats. Pretty long bed. Comes with the cover on there. Might be too bright in this video to see. Bed's in good condition. Got a very good tire tread. Front tire tread looks good too. Let's go ahead and start her up. It's funny, I just dropped the keys down this drain about 10 minutes ago. Had to fish them out with a magnet. The interior condition is fantastic. You have power seats, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Just go ahead and start her up. Crank right on up. This interior really is very clean. Back seats. So anyways, truck's in awesome condition. Hope this video reaches you well, and we'll see about see if there's a way we can help get you from Jacksonville down here. So talk to you soon, and appreciate it.